So I get a lot of questions on lashes. These are demi-wispy lashes that I put on my sister. They are a very natural lash. They have a very soft lash line. So this tutorial is going to take you through applying these demi-wispies under the lash line so that you can wear your lashes for more than a day, more than 2 days, more than 3 days. You just have to be careful on how you wash your eyes, because I do use duo glue. I don't use that hard glue that the salon uses. So you have to be just very careful on how you wash your eyes, because the duo glue is water resistant, but it's not waterproof. So let's go ahead and begin the tutorial. So first, mascara. Apply mascara. As you can see, I am applying it from the top. I'm applying it from the bottom, and I'm just making sure that I'm really spreading it sparingly. I started with the Luminous mascara, but it's all dried out, and so now I'm using the e.l.f. volumizing mascara. And I'm just kind of really making sure that there's no clunking together with the mascara, because that is key. You want to make sure that the lashes are going to blend in very seamlessly with the false lashes. Now time to apply the lashes. You want to measure them first. So you want to have the person kind of look up, and then you want to use your duo glue, and you want to place the glue on top of the lash line. Not so much like in the middle, if you know what I'm talking about, or underneath the lash line, on top, because that part right there is going to stick right underneath your lash line. So you're going to let the glue get tacky so you can talk and shoot the breeze. You don't want to blow on it because this is going on someone's eye. You just want to kind of wave it in the air and have the person open wide and then look down. You have them open wide so their lashes are not sticking, and then you have them look down. It's almost as if you're having them look down on the actual lashes. Because it is tacky, it should stick right there. You want to make sure that each corner is in. Make sure you place it in each corner. Now, some people just can't do this because they're just way too sensitive. But my sister's eyes, she can handle anything. So I don't know if I could do this on myself, but yeah. You want to use tweezers or a non-sharp item so you can just kind of press the lashes against the lash line. They also have these wonderful tweezers that are actually made for pressing. I would advise to get those. You want to make sure to press at both ends. You want to use a clean spoolie to make sure that there is no sticking. You want to make sure that your client can kind of look and make sure that they're comfortable with the placement. Now, my sister wanted to take the tool and do that. That's fine. But usually you can do that. So she's fine with that placement. Let's do this again. Again, place the glue on top of the lash line. You want to have the person open wide and then look down right onto the lashes. As you can see. You want to make sure each corner is very stable. And make sure you don't cut the lashes too short, because they'll look too short on the eyes. You kind of want them to go from end to end, but not so much where it's poking in the inner corner and sticking out on the outer corner. And believe it or not, this is underneath the lash line. This is not on top. I'm using these. I would not advise using this. Use something that is made for the lashes, but this is my sister. I'm like, whatever. But she wouldn't move, of course. But this was kind of probably dangerous. I'm sure I'm going to get comments on that, but I know what I'm doing. Thank you. And just make sure. Now you can add extra glue to the lash line. Now my sister doesn't like a liner at the top. So the duo glue, I love it because it dries black. This is her look. Look at how natural that is. Unbelievable. And she keeps this on for like a week. All right, see you in the next video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.